Hello everybody and welcome back to today's episode of Drunken Sale. Okay, Kim, what kind of cocktail are we going to make today?
We're making a Witches Brew.
A Witches Brew, okay. Witches Brew, it's really pretty simple. It's only a couple of ingredients. They're right here. So let's start pouring. First off, into our shaker glass, 1 ounce of vodka. And for you, my friends, only the best, Grey Goose. Next, 1 ounce of raspberry liqueur. This drink is kind of like a sweet and sour. We need to throw 1 ounce of lime juice in there. And that goes in there. And I'm going to put some ice in. Ooh, I didn't spill any ice. And we're going to give it a good shake.
Oh, no.
No? No?
You're forgetting the most special part of this wonderful cocktail.
Special part? What?
The magic powder.
The magic powder. How could I forget? We're going to use about 1/8 of a teaspoon because it is magic.
Edible glitter.
Edible glitter. I don't want to hear any phone calls tomorrow, folks. Let's give it a good shake now. Is that okay?
That's fine.
And we're going to take a martini glass. We're going to strain. And here we go. You can see that magic powder in there makes it nice and shiny. To finish this off, we will take about 4 ounces of Sprite. And there you go. And that is our Witches Brew.